Hello, and welcome back to Diecast Graveyard. My name is Paul. Thanks for joining me today. I really appreciate you. I've been super busy lately. I've got a new job. I'm actually working at Toyota here in my hometown as a salesman, and I've been putting in an awful lot of hours. But I do truly love my job. But I also love my hobby. Today, we've got a Superfine Turbine. Now this car is extremely rare. If any of you have ever tried to price these on eBay or any place like that, you'll find out that these things are going anywhere from $200 to $300 on up. And to find one in really good shape, well, you're going to pay for it. Anyway, we got one here we're going to do some modifications to, but we're going to do a really nice restoration. Grab your favorite adult beverage and join in today as we restore this Superfine Turbine. Let's get started.
It's time to start the autopsy.
Here I've already got the bottom drilled out, and there's two posts here. One is actually holding in the engine and the other is holding on the base of the car. Be careful as you pry this away. Make sure that you've drilled enough of the mushroom post away so it comes apart. Here you want to be really careful because, again, like I said, this car is extremely rare. I was sent this car from my buddy Steve, and I'm restoring this for him. There we go. Got the engine out. And you can tell from the paint job on this car that it was actually painted with a red opaque. We're going to actually repaint it using red Spectre Flame. There we go, we got the base off. There's no windshield, just the interior. Here's the body. Overall, it's in good shape, but we're definitely going to have to clean it. Now, the posts on these cars are extremely narrow, so you're going to have to use the 1/16 inch drill bit. Make sure you're careful when you go to drill these out because, again, the post is extremely narrow and you could blow it out. So be careful, file the post down a little bit, get it nice and flat, and use your automatic center punch to give you a starting point with your drill. Here's the base. The base overall isn't bad, but the wheels are in really rough shape. So we're going to have to replace the axles on these. And instead of the normal cap tires, we're going to use the deep dish wheels on here, the deep dish cap wheels. I don't like these axles with the post coming through, so we're going to put some deep dish cap wheels on the front also. This will be a little bit of work, but we'll be able to do that. Here's the interior. We'll clean it up as best we can with the toothbrush and some hot soapy water. Let's move on.
Someone is being exhumed.
Here I'm going to put the engine in some Super Clean. It does have some paint on there and I want to get the paint off, so we're going to use the Super Clean. Here we're going to put the body in the citrus strip and strip the paint. We'll let that set for a bit. It's really cool to watch it sink into the abyss there. We'll let that set for a while. Here we got the body all cleaned up and polished. Now we're going to spray it down with some Spectre Flame Red from the Redline shop. Here I've polished it up with some flits, and then we cleaned it up with some degreaser from Zepp.
Meanwhile, back in the graveyard.
I decided on the bottom of the car here to replace the axles and the wheel caps. Now the wheel caps I had were in pretty bad shape. And as you can see here, pretty chunked up. Let's see, let's get this going. There you go. And this would cause the car to hop around a little bit every time it went around, so I had to replace those. So I also put the deep dish wheels on there as per the subscriber who sent this car to me to have it done. So we got that done, got the new wheels put in, and it's good to go. Okay, we got all the pieces. We got the body, That Spectre Flame Red turned out absolutely incredible. That's fantastic. We got the base with the deep dish wheels, the cap wheels. They turned out good. We got the engine all polished up and ready to go. And we got the interior. Let's put everything together and give my creation life.
Lies! Lies! Do you hear me? Give my creation life!
And here's what we started with. This Superfine Turbine. It's in pretty rough shape, especially the wheels. But we're going to bring this back from the dead. We drilled out the post, we took it apart, we stripped the paint off the body, we cleaned the paint off the engine with some Super Clean, we scrubbed down the interior, we replaced the caps and the wheels, and we put brand new wheels in the front, and we used deep dish wheels from the Redline shop. I had a lot of fun doing this car. It was absolutely fantastic, and to be able to get to restore or repair whatever a car that's this rare is an awful lot of fun. Now, if you happen to get a hold of these, yeah, if you have any, I'd love to get one from you. I mean, if you got some extras, I'll restore yours in exchange for another. But let's do it. And here we are. This Superfine Turbine turned out absolutely beautiful. And I can't emphasize enough how rare these cars are. They're going for pretty good money on eBay and places like that. But we took the car apart, we stripped it down, we put some beautiful Spectre Flame paint on there. We switched out the wheel caps so it wouldn't hop around. We put some deep dish wheels on there, and then we put it all back together. And again, this thing turned out absolutely beautiful. Now, if there's something that you're looking for, just let me know and get a hold of me, and I'll contact you back. I have been putting in an awful lot of hours in my new job, so that's why the videos have been scarce, and I do apologize for that. I love doing die-cast cars. It's my happy place, and I have a lot of fun with it. So stay tuned for more stuff coming up. This is just one of those rare cars that I get a chance to do that I absolutely love. And if you guys got any of these Superfine turbines, or you got an old crappy one laying around, let me know. I'd love to get it from you. Or you know, I can definitely do some trading out. But anyway, thank you so much. Thank you for joining me today on Diecast Graveyard. We've got a lot more videos coming up in the future, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And thank you again for joining me here today. If there's something you'd like to see, put it in the comments. Thank you, and cheers.